Chris here again from JDG with another property of the week, a little video tour for everybody. Today we're at 37A Norton Road here in Heysham. It's a detached house, 4-bedroom, 2-reception room, built in about 2004, but kept to a lovely standard. As you can see, nice block paved driveway, room for quite a big car there, and could probably squeeze another 2 over there if you so wish. Really quiet street, it's not really a through to anybody anywhere over there, and as you can see, some lovely nice sized houses on the location as well. So with being a detached, obviously you can get either way. You'll notice them when you come around as well. Nice modern windows, clean fascias, good flashing as well there. So yeah, let's go inside. As you can see, enter into nice bright hallway, modern radiators, nice tiled flooring, keeping things nice and clean. And if we actually come straight away into here, through the baby gate, there's a 10-week-old in the house, so there we go. We've got nice little, what they're using as a little playroom, little TV room as well, separate thing there, which is really handy with the bay window. And you also get some of the good storage under the stairs, neutral tones all the way throughout, and you can really come and add yourself to it should you so wish. And we can continue, keep going through. Right, and through to the living room. Nice big spacious room. I mean, you can see from behind me there. You can even see some of the recessed and accent lighting with the different colours, and kind of like the cladding there with a TV on the wall, the floating shelves. This is a really, really nice room. Absolutely beautiful space to come and spend time with. And like a little bay window with the French doors going out into the garden, so it's nice to be able to bring the inside out as well. Solid oak doors as you come through. Many people to be happy to find. Downstairs toilet, especially required in a house of this size as well. And the modern kitchen, gloss units all the way around there as well. They've got space for a big American style fridge freezer, and even dining room there as well. So as you'd imagine, you've kind of got your dishwasher and things like that. And the the integral garage has got space there. You could create a little utility room or have like your washing machine and things like that. Magic of cinema now upstairs, so nice big open hallway. Again, quite a funky mirror. So if we start with the master bedroom, because that's what everybody wants to see, it's a fantastic size. Real big double bed. I mean, well, queen, king size there, huge big wardrobes, and still plenty of space for all the way around for everything you need. And there is ensuite toilet, shower through there. Again, and you know, nice views of your garden or the privacy that you get out there. Spotlights as well, so you know, nice and modern touches as well. Let's go to the new baby's room. There we go, next door as well. But really, really good size double bedroom. You know, got some nice motifs on the wall if you want to keep those as well. But really spacious. What it really does offer is 4 really good sized bedrooms. So big families, no real arguments to be had there. So this is probably maybe different shape but very similar size, but as we can see, accommodates nice good double bed, and it does have some built-in wardrobes there as well, which is really helpful. And across the way, probably the smaller bedroom, but again, decent size. You can fit a double bed in here. Kind of been used as a bit of a dressing room recently, and again, matching wardrobes as well, so actually you don't need to take up too much of your floor space for furniture. 4-piece bathroom. I'll go in backwards here so you can see it over my shoulder. You can see good size, maybe not a double shower, but more than big enough for most. Bath, tiled as well, nicely presented, good size. You don't really need much more really than that. Right, let's go head downstairs and we can have a little look outside. Right, now found me outside. I've just come out of the kitchen door to the side there. So there's gates over there, storage space for bins. We've got so many of them these days, it's always handy to have that space. So it's kind of over 2 levels is the garden. As you can kind of see from here, you've kind of got a lower patio level and a higher one there. So they've even got space for tables and chairs here, little sun lounges over there, kids' toys as well. They've added all the extra fencing around the side to make it more private as well. Not too many people that be looking into there. And you've softened it up as well. You've got nice flower beds all the way around, gravel, so you can kind of move away. So this is the garden's kind of, that's west facing there. So the sun's just going to come across. You're going to get it all afternoon. Not that we get too much of it in this part of the country, but it's still not too bad. And again, taken in the back of the house, you can see where the little bay window comes from there, how everything's in nice and good order. So yeah, wonderful house. If you do want to come and have a look, give us a call, drop us a line. We'd love to get you through the door. We've got pretty flexible vendors. They'll be more than happy to show you around their house. Thanks.